Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today.
This is my concoction of rhubarb and rhubarb lemonade mixture. Very refreshing, is it not?
It's very refreshing.
Who made it?
You did.
Thank you so much. This was a simple one, Kathleen, so I thought, let me try it. And it's very, very refreshing indeed.
Very nice.
I never would have thought of this. Thank you so much. This will be my title for the summer now. And here's to you.
Thank you, Kathleen. We'll try others.